Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I said in also that from today I'm going to start something new in the channel. Well, it's going to be an unboxing series. Wait, did you notice a change? I think you noticed a change, right? That I'm speaking in English. I told most of you that I would be doing my vlogs in Bengali. The videos would be in Bengali, and the reason I'm doing this in English because the topic of this unboxing series is going to be important for a lot of people. I want the reach to be maximum. So for this series only, I have decided that I will use English as the language. So I hope you won't mind. Well, this series is going to be about the cheapest YouTube gear that you will need when you start out on YouTube. I also need. Is the cheapest, it's the simplest gear. You have to make the most of what you have. So this is going to be a series. This series is going to be about that. So I'm sure I'm going to help you out a little bit in this series. So stick to that. Now before we continue any further and I tell you why you need this gear, we need to change the angle. Yes guys, so I have changed to my camera and now I'm going to tell you why you need this gear. So first of all, it gives you the correct tools to do. It makes your work easier, and I don't know, it helps me at least at this point that it motivates me to do much more. It motivates me to put in much more effort and give you the best videos that I can. You know that I'm a beginner and it's a bit difficult for me in the beginning, like facing the camera and talking. So these tools, these kit, I think it will help me to progress down in this journey somewhere or somehow. And another thing I want to add, that if you want to learn a new thing, like for example you want to learn some music, you need a guitar or a keyboard, right? Without that you can't do that. You simply can't do that. So it's the same in this thing also, in YouTube also. You need some things. Without them it's gonna be very, it's not impossible. You can do with whatever you have. But in this video, in this series of videos, pardon me, I'm going to tell you a list of things that I got for myself, or I will be getting for myself eventually, and how to make the best use of all of them. Alright guys, before we proceed any further, I want to remind you that I am not promoting any content. No one has asked me, no company has asked me to do this for them. I'm doing it in my own, for my own, and for all of you. So whatever opinion I tell in this video is going to be my own, and I'm not going to force them or compel them to you, or I'm not going to tell that you can't make any YouTube videos without them. It's my opinion, after all that's what it is, and the final decision is going to be yours. So before we begin the video, it would be really helpful if you just pause the video for 1 second, go down, hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. You know, you need not be reminded that it really helps my channel grow. It motivates me to produce some more things that I feel can help you all. So it will take only 1 or 2 seconds for you to stop the video and just go down and hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, I talked a lot. That was a lot of drama before the video. Now let's get to the unboxing part. I almost forgot that before we begin the unboxing, we need to return back to our table. Let's begin. Alright guys, let's start with the unboxing. So first we have this packet here from Amazon. Now we are going to tear it up. Let's be careful. First we get my bill, as you can see. We'll keep this aside. Then we get our main product. As you can see, it's Ulanzi ST-03 written on the box. This is how you need to mount it.
show you the box right now. Let's open the box. Okay, the packaging is quite tight. Okay guys, I finally got it out, as you can see. And guys, here is the product. It's quite heavy, I must say, and quite sturdy as well. And as you can see, the main difference from the Ulanzi ST-02S is that it has a tripod mount. It can be mounted directly on your tripod because of this square base. The ST-02S does not have that, and that's what's great about this one. Alright guys, in the next few shots I'm going to show you how you are going to mount this on your tripod and how you are going to use it. Thank you.
Alright guys, so continuing the video, I have the ST-03 phone holder with me, and now I'm going to show you how to mount this on your tripod. So keep watching.
Magic.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I have this one mounted, and before I tell you something more, I have to inform you that this quick release plate, this works with quick release plate which follow the Arca Swiss system. It does not follow the quick release plate which you normally get in the market, which is the Manfrotto system. It does not follow that. This is the one for the Arca Swiss type quick release plate, so I cannot directly mount this onto my tripod because this tripod is not of a quick Arca Swiss type. So maybe in the future, if I get an Arca Swiss type of quick release plate, I can use it with that directly. So I bought this instead of the ST-02S. So now I'm going to mount my phone. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So I'm going to place my phone right here. And simple, it's just an unscrewing mechanism. Screwing mechanism, beg your pardon, screwing mechanism. See, it's quite tight. And if I tighten this up, there you have it. Alright guys, here you can see that I am showing you some shots of how it looks. I forgot to tell you that it also has a hidden cold shoe mount. I am showing it on the video. And here I am showing you a few shots of how this phone holder looks when mounted onto the tripod. I hope you get the idea. Sorry guys, the autofocus of my camera is not so good. It's struggling a bit. Hope you don't mind. Alright guys, I'm actually recording this on my phone, which is mounted onto the tripod with the help of the Ulanzi ST-03 mobile holder. So we have reached the end of the video. If this video was helpful to you, if you liked it, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. If you think this video can help out someone, so please share the video, and thank you. Bye.